of a community that is known for its service and for its capacity to be there at any and all times of need, wherever in the world. So, Vikramjit Singh ji, thank you for all your service, thank you for all that you have done, and above all, thank you for giving us an opportunity to continue to be proud of you. Let me also say, ladies and gentlemen, that your organization, the Sikh Forum International, is an institution which I believe deserves every bit of recognition and every bit of thanks that we can possibly give you. I have my own little piece of association with this organization because of its legendary founder, the great Lieutenant General Jasjit Singh Arora. What an absolute privilege it is to come from a country in which the Sikh community has been a defining element of the modern nation and a community that has shaped modern India. Modern India has shaped the Sikh community just as the Sikh community has shaped India. And there is no part of India in which you will not see the Sikh community having thrived. All of the great shrines of the Sikh faith are not only in Punjab, both Indian Punjab and Pakistani Punjab, but also elsewhere, including as far away as Bihar in Patna, as far away as Maharashtra in Nanded Sahib. What does this tell me? It tells me that the message of the great gurus was a universal message. It was a message that everybody understood because, as the Mool Mantra tells us, Ik Onkar, one faith, one God, one higher being. And what it teaches us is this principle of dispassionateness, the principle of worship for the sake of worship, divine love for the sake of cleansing the soul, not for seeking profit, not for seeking alienation of others, not for being exclusive, but for being inclusive because of the commonness of all humanity. Guru Nanak Dev Ji himself teaches us, no one is my enemy, no one is a foreigner. For me, there is no Hindu, no Muslim. With all, I am at peace. God within us renders us incapable of hate and prejudice. And that message, ladies and gentlemen, is one that the Sikh community has taken with them worldwide. You only need to look at the history of the great Maharana Ranjit Singh. In his bequest upon his passing, two of the things that he did were not just for his community. It was for the Kashi Vishwanath temple in Banaras and for the Jagannath temple in Puri. Nowhere near Punjab. He did it because he believed in bringing everybody together. I think the history of the Sikh community tells us that the true faith, the true spirit of Sikhi is to look for reconciliation, to look for the humanity that inspires all of us. And most importantly, the ultimate spirit which is there in the most common, how should I describe it? The most common mantra of the Sikh faith, which all of us repeat whenever we go to a Gurdwara, which is Jo Bole So Nihal, Sat Sri Akal. And this is why, for me, having grown up in the Punjab, despite my South Indian name, I will always carry a piece of Punjab, but more importantly, a piece of Sikhi within me. Sat Sri Akal. Thank you.